Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet the Diamond Painting Junkie, and I am back with another unboxing from Amazon. Now, I'm nervous about opening this, only because within the last 2 days I have watched 2 different YouTubers do unboxings from the same company, and I have heard some mixed reviews. So I'm really kind of nervous. So what this is the mystery diamond painting kit from the company. I hope I'm saying this right. Catered, whatever it is. We'll just open it and we'll look at the box anyway. Okay, so it's got a nice box. Nothing wrong with the box, so that's good. But that is the company, and like I said, I've watched 2 YouTubers now with different paintings, because I mean they're mystery paintings, so you're not supposed to know what they are, but one of them I could tell, the other one I couldn't tell. So let's just open this up and see. Okay, so you get a white boat with a spout. It's a little fatter than your normal white boat. Let's hope the rest of the stuff is in here. Okay. This is poured glue. So since it is poured glue, I can take it and flip it around and roll it up in order to flatten it out. And I can already tell what this is, so I don't know. I mean, what in the world is the mystery if you can see what it is once you unbag it. So, alright. It's a Yin Yang. Ooh, such a mystery. I guess the mystery of it is going to be what colors go where. I don't know. Disappointing, because I thought maybe you wouldn't be able to see the image. But that being said, I'm kind of glad that it is something simple like this than some of the images that I have heard the bad reviews on, because there was too much of an image for the size of the canvas. So it has 9 colors. The symbols are all letters. There is one AB in it, and they are DMC coded. So hopefully y'all can see that. Maybe, maybe not. Like I said, it is poured glue. The canvas is very sticky, and it is very clear. Okay, now the canvas itself is a nice feeling canvas. It's got a glitter effect in the canvas. I mean, the canvas itself is not bad looking at all. So, but I'm going to measure this. Alright. It is right at 30 by 40. Yep. And that's actually what it said it was going to be, was a 30 by 40. So I was glad when I opened it up and seen how big it was. I was pretty sure that it was a 30 by 40. Alright, so my biggest reason in even ordering this was because I thought it would be cool having a mystery, you know, canvas, but was for this. This is cute. This is nice. It's really pretty. I don't know if y'all can see this. Maybe not. Anyway, it's not too heavy. But I've been wanting a pen like this instead of the ones that actually come with your kits. And these are really cute. I've seen other people with these. But that's your wax. It's just one of those little macaroon things with the wax. And then your white bow. So, all your diamonds are, looks like individually, yeah, they're all individually bagged up for you. And like I said, there's 9 colors. It would be kind of nice to have had a lot of different colors instead of them all being, you know, the same thing. But this is a square. I don't think I mentioned that, but it is a square. But it's all going to be, ooh, the 3 tens. It's all going to be grays, black and grays. And the AB is this one. And honestly, this is not even an AB. This is, I thought there was an AB in this. My bad. Anyway, this is just white. So anyway, this is what you get in your little mystery diamond kit. But like I said, honestly, I give $25 and some change for this. I think it's worth it. I do. Honestly, I'm not that disappointed in it because these are worth 25 bucks. Because some of the ones that I've seen are like a lot more than that. I've seen some a lot cheaper than this. But, like I said, this was my main reason for even ordering all of this. Because I had been looking for a pen. Sorry, I had to pause for a minute. I thought somebody knocked at my door. Anyway, I don't remember what I was saying, but my main thing is I had been looking for a pen, and I come across this, and I knew that a lot of the other diamond painting people were doing mystery kits, and I thought, you know, a 2-for-1. So I'm not really that disappointed in it. I do wish that it had been a colorful picture. I can see where this might get boring before I even get midway, but, you know, whatever. I'm cool with it. I think it's going to be neat. And I will definitely do a post review when I am finished with this. It might take me a little while because right now we are in the middle of the drills and chills, and I'm not one to have more than one project going at a time. I'm one of those, if I start something, I want to finish something. I don't want things scattered and going in different directions. So once the drills and chills is over, then I'll probably do this one. I have been looking for more square diamond paintings because I've done 3 so far. 4, actually. I've done 4. And I really liked them. At first I didn't, because I was like, oh my God, they're so hard. You can't get them straight. Blah, 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 blah. But I've really gotten to where I like the squares. So I like them both. Don't get me wrong. I do like both of them. But I really kind of like how the squares are like uniformed, I guess. Rounds are great because, I mean, you got a lot of leeway with it. But the squares, I just like that uniform effect with it. So, anyway, I will do a post review on this once I get it done. And I will put a link in my description box of where you can get this at on Amazon. So anyway, with that being said, I appreciate everyone watching my videos, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you know when I have videos coming up, and until my next video, I'll see y'all later. Bye.